Hi guys, welcome to another video. So as you've probably seen from the intro, I'm doing up the pool area. So we had a bit of an issue last year when the builders took our garden back. They dug a quarter of the garden out to retain it, and as the soil settled it sunk. We've obviously had the pool on it and it sunk down by about maybe 40-50 mil at least. So I've just started the pool draining. It's been draining about 2 hours now. We're nearly there. So my plan is I'm going to put some string lighting around the outside. I'm going to build a firm base for that pool to sit on so it's nice and level, and I'm going to build a border around it to separate that area from the grassed area. So guys, enjoy. So I've changed to a voiceover now, guys. This has been edited a few days after. As you can probably tell, I've got a bit of a sore throat, a bit under the weather, so I'll do my best here. So yeah, once I got all the area, the pool drained and all the area sorted out, it was time to build a frame for the pool to sit on. So I've just got all the wood measured out here. Then once I did that, I've got it all cut out and placed into area. So once I got my frame built, I got it all levelled out, then I secured it down using a few little self-made
wedges that you can see here and screwed it in so it was nice and level. I didn't really film myself doing this because I just wanted to crack on a bit. Once I'd done that, I'd ordered 1 ton's worth of MOT Type 1 40mm. So that were a job barrowing a ton's worth of that from there round to the base, but I got that done. It took me about an hour to do, and I was very tired after that, but just kept cracking on. So once I got the MOT Type 1 down, I compressed it all down by tramping on it. Once I'd raked and levelled it using a 2x4, and I think I did quite a decent job on this all in all, considering the unevenness of the ground. Once I did that, I then put the sharp sand on, and again I raked it out and levelled it, but I didn't film it. And here we can see we're coming to an end of the build. Oh, this was the middle of the build, sorry. I'd started to build the pool again. I didn't film it because I just wanted to crack on with the job. And once the pool was filling, I got it about a quarter full and put these stones around the outside to act as a drain on it for when the water splashes over. Here we had the uprights up for the string lights to go on. And the pool were about half full at this stage. There I decided to build some borders around the outside just to make it look a bit nicer, and I had excess stones so I thought I'd use them. At this stage, pool's up to about 3/4, and here we are coming to the end of the build now. As you can see, I've boxed in the light upright where the string lights are on the upright. I've boxed one of them in. I do need to do the other one, but I run out of timber, so I'll do that at a later date. The pool's nice and clean. All the edgings boxed in nicely. The spa were warming up at that point. That were a few days ago, like I said. At this point, I was just waiting for some mush to be delivered, which weren't going to be there until later that evening. And that's after the mulch had been delivered. This is the finished product up to now. So I've got a nice area mulched where the trampoline is for the kids to go on there. We've got the string lights up, and here's the reveal, guys. Enjoy.